Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a car service using RepairPal. So first, open the RepairPal website and enter your vehicle information. Then select the service or repair you need. RepairPal can help you find local repair shops and provide information about the expected repair cost. Then enter your location and review the available repair options. After that, choose a repair shop that fits your needs and follow its available scheduling or contact instructions. And before confirming the appointment, you need to review the service details, location, and estimated costs. So that was how to use RepairPal to find and schedule a car service. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.